Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you hadn't already, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up and watch the video to the end. That way YouTube will give my video out to other people to watch. But today I'm going to show you a new gizmo I got. I think you'll like it, and everybody should have one of these because it's inexpensive, and you never know when you're going to need a little extra power. So I got this mainly to charge like cell phones and flashlights and stuff like that. But this is what you call a solar pup. Solar pup. And I will put a link in the description down below. So if you do buy it from that link on my channel and my Amazon page, I do get paid a little bit on that. This is just disclaimer. But I'm not paid by these people to do this video. And I haven't even used it yet, so I don't even know what the outcome is going to be. But anyway, it comes in this box. It has a little kickstand here, so you can put it on the ground. But it's actually made, and I will put some pictures here demonstrating. It's actually made to hang on a backpack, so when you're walking through the woods or out camping or whatever. And this is nice, I'm telling you. This is very nice. And it's got a hook here to hang it. I was going to try to hang it up here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to or not, but I'm going to try to. And it's got a little pouch back here. And right here is where you plug in your USB cord. It's a USB to standard or USB-C. And it comes with one cord that's standard USB and the USB-C, because most things are going to the USB-C now. And I'm going to try to charge a couple of things and see how it works. It also comes with a couple of carabiners, little clippies to clip on here and hang it on your backpack, which is very cool. So let me hang this up and connect some stuff to it and see if it charges, and then I'll be right back. So just hang right in there. Okay, so I moved over to this shed because I wanted to put a couple of screws in here to hang this up. I didn't want to do it on the new shed, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Meanwhile, I got a couple of things here I want to charge. I'm going to start with this under-the-counter light. It's got a motion sensor, and you can also turn it on where it's on all the time. It lasted about a week, but we do go in the kitchen a lot, and it comes on a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in here, and this light will come on. Okay, yeah, I can see when I put it in there in the room, I can see the light's red. When the light turns green, that means it's fully charged. So I'm just going to set this inside the shed here so it's not in the sun, see how long it takes to charge, and I'll get back with you on that. And then we're going to try the fan, because I use this fan almost every night. It's battery operated, and it also will charge off the same thing. So we'll charge this next after this and see how long it takes both of them to fully charge. Okay, I'll give it a few minutes and I'll come back and check it. So now it's been about 2 hours, and I had to prop this panel up on this 1x4 to get a better angle at the sun. And you can't see on there, but the light is green here. So that means this thing is fully charged. It took about 2 hours, maybe a little less because I wasn't here when it turned green. But now for my next test, I'm going to check this. It is on 71%. I don't know if you can see that or not. 71%. And I'm going to turn it off. It plugs in the back right here. And I'm going to see how long it takes it to get up to 99% or 100%. Because sometimes even with the plugging it into the wall, it gets up to 99%. And it takes forever for it to get to 100%. And that goes for my battery backups and everything else. Once it gets to 99%, they just stay there for a while. I don't know why. They need to fix that in the monitors, or where it shows you how much charge it is. If it's not 99%, it's going to take an hour to keep charging. It should be 97 or 98, not 99. So yeah, propping this up like this helped it. So now I'm going to plug this in, and now I'll put it over here, and it's charging. It's on 71%, so I've got a few hours of daylight left, so we're going to see how long it takes for this thing to charge. So I'm going to turn the camera back off, go do something else, come back in a little bit, and see how this thing works. I think this will be a good addition to anything, especially if you're going to go camping or anything like that, and you want to charge your cell phone or a light that you're going to use at night. This will keep it charged. So let's see how long it takes for the fan to charge up. So it charged the light up okay, and I guess it'll be all right for something small like that, or maybe even cell phones. But trying to charge my fan up, which has got a pretty big battery, and it takes a long time for it to run down, so it takes a while to charge it. But it's been on here for a couple hours, and it's only charged like 1 or 2%. It was on 71, now it's on 73. So I don't think it's going to be good for this. I mean, unless you have all day. If I plugged it in this morning and had it all day out here, it might charge it up, but I don't know. I don't have that much time to spend on it, so I'm going to plug it in the house and finish charging this up. But my honest opinion on this is that if you're out camping or whatever, and you need something to keep a light charged so you can have a light at night or your cell phone charged, I think that's a good idea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another one for you as soon as I can get around to making one. Maybe it'll be about this thing, because this is fantastic fan. Talk to you later.